Hello everybody, welcome to another Valheim video. Today we're going to be learning all about the inventory limits in Valheim. We've got the belt, Motors Trophy, and the Troll Endurance Mead. As soon as you manage to find Haldor and you have 950 coins, you'll be able to buy the belt. The belt gives you a constant 150 increased carry weight, and it's pretty much necessary to move any kind of metal. Without the belt, you can't even hold a whole stack of metal. For the Mead base, you'll need to find the Bog Witch. The Bog Witch sells a variety of different ingredients depending on how many bosses that you've killed. One of the early things that you can purchase are powdered dragon eggshells. Each one of these eggshells combined with 10 honey and 2 trollfish in a mead kettle will allow you to make 6 of the troll endurance potions. These potions are incredibly useful because they increase your carry weight by 250 and they last for 5 minutes. Having this much carry weight, especially with a belt, means that you can hold a whole stack of metal in addition to your equipment. It does make moving around a bit easier. But for you to really ascend into the heights of inventory weight limits, you need to defeat Motor. To do so, you'll need to acquire Motor's Trophy and then turn Motor's Trophy into the boss stone. This is going to give you Motor's Power. This was revamped recently, so now when you activate Motor's Power, we can hold up to 850 pounds, and we don't even have this belt equipped. Look at this, we equip our belt 1,000 pounds! That's the new limit for Valheim, and this is actually not even including Corpse Run, because that would add even more. So you really can hold quite a lot of weight in Valheim, but here's the thing, you're still not getting any more inventory space. But that's why Iron Gate has blessed us with cart, and you're gonna have a better experience if you use the carts. A lot of people might not understand that that's why they have a small inventory, because they want you to make organization systems and use carts and put things in your boat. They're trying to get you to be uncomfortable so that you can do other stuff. I'm trying to make a lot more of these kind of tutorials for those of you who are new to Valheim and trying to get more comfortable with this wonderful game. Valheim does something magical that makes you form communities more easily than in other games, and I really love the game. Despite whatever slowness it might have, I think it is a wonderful gem. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.